Hi, I'm Truchan from Scalp Micro Definition and Perfect Definition. I wanted to tell you about our scalp micropigmentation treatments, also known as SMP, which you probably came across already online if you're looking at this video. Our scalp micropigmentation treatments are designed for both male and female. We have about 50-50% of customers, both from all the different age groups and ethnicities. When you get in touch with us originally, it's best if you send us an email, because then we can right away send you pre-screening questionnaire which will help us assess your needs. We can then look at the pictures, assess the size of the areas that needs to be treated, and anything else around your customized treatment that we may require to do. So once you hear back from us, we'll also provide you with upcoming availability times and dates, and any follow-ups on your pre-screening answers. Once we are ready to reserve, you will get patch test and treatment forms from us in the post, so you can complete everything in the safety of your house. And then once you come for your visit on the day, we're going to take photos, have another consultation, discuss the whole treatment plan again to ensure that you know everything that you need to know. And then once we're ready, we'll pick the pigments and move on to the design stage. So scalp micropigmentation treatments are different for everyone. It could be anything from just adding density to specific areas, or whole scalp for alopecia patients, from small little patches, or even the whole scalp as well. Post chemo, during chemo treatments as well, when we have the hair loss for the thinning areas, for male and female pattern baldness, scarring resulted from accidents, from cuts, from burns, we are able to help with all of this. So if you have any needs in regards to your scalp density or recovery of your hair impressions, please do get in touch and we'll help you. Once we agree to everything on the day, we know the design, we know the scope of work, we're going to sign off the consent and start the treatment. The treatment is basically implementing tiny little dots that imitate little hair follicles into your scalp. It is a little bit uncomfortable, and for the large areas we don't use anesthetic products. It's not too painful because the impressions are very shallow and very gentle, done with micro needles, but there is a little bit of discomfort. It's totally bearable, no one ran away yet, but be prepared that it is a little bit uncomfortable. Not for everyone. Everyone's discomfort levels are very different. So as long as you follow the pre-treatment advice and come on the day of your appointment in a good healthy state, you should be okay. Once we complete the treatment, the areas will be a little bit sore and a little bit red. That's fine, that will come down within 24 hours, and will of course guide you through the post-treatment aftercare. We always check with you on the following day after the treatment to make sure that everything is okay. We also remind you of the aftercare that we already covered in your pre-treatment forms and during the consultation on the day, and the following day over the email as well. And we also follow up with you 1 week later to make sure that you are healing okay. Once you return for your second visit, it's always pretty much 3 to 4 sessions. On average is 3 sessions to complete the actual treatment. So when we see you on the follow-up appointment, we assess and adjust, and that's how we build the density. We can't implement all the dots that we would love to have for the scalp in 1 session. That's actually not possible. It compromises the results because we don't get an opportunity to create the 3D effect with the different layering of the pigment intensity and density. So therefore, be prepared that it's a little bit of a journey. 3 sessions, usually minimum 2-week break between the sessions, but it can be longer, up to 6 weeks. If you need more information or would like to reserve your treatment or run the electronic consultation with us, please do get in touch with us on info@perfectdefinition.co.uk or info@scalpmicrodefinition.co.uk, and we'll help.